Horn.
Let's go. Here we go. And our rain day. And there's the mom and the baby chicks.
I tend to want beach jewelry all the time. What do I have? I have a...
Paris. Where are we going?
This building right here, which should be a museum
Of?
Hawaiian history.
What do you want to learn about?
Well, it should talk about contact with, I guess, the colonization of Hawaii and pre-colonization of Hawaii.
Cool. Are you
Shouldn't
excited?
be hitting yet. We were trying to save the batteries.
Well,
Get the video of the building.
it's not as interesting as seeing you get excited about a museum. Where are we going?
And sign. Hamura's restaurant with some Saimin and lilikoi pie.
What's Saimin?
Saimin noodles. Top ramen.
Top ramen. We're gonna spend a lot of money for some top ramen. All right. Thank you. Excuse me. How is it? It's steaming. Then we kind of went to Hanapepe, right? We drove back to Hanapepe. And so they had an art festival going on for Fridays. They do that every Friday. And we got to go and we went to a bookstore and we got a lot of really cute books to start reading this next year.
Like this one?
This one's really cool, I think. I don't know, we haven't read it yet. And an old western for Pierce.
Yes.
And we got another kind of like thriller one for me and you if you want to read it. And then we walked around that city. It was really, it was a town. It was really cute.
Lilo and
It's
Stitch Town.
Yeah, it's the official Lilo and Stitch Town, which was really fun.
Went across the rope bridge.
Yes, we went across the rope bridge and tried to shake everybody else off. And we saw some catfish in the water.
Because it swings. Hey, how's it going? Oh. Yeah.
One. I've always liked for me to do. What are you laughing at? Fish? Ooh, there's big ones right there.
Where?
You see him? He's eating the...
Oh yeah, the catfish. I don't know if you can see him down there. That's a big fish.
They're big.
Alright, come on, let's keep going. And then we're gonna...
That side? Nope.
Whoa.
I really want to jump. This guy's not gonna go.
We can jump on the way back. Oh, look out, coming through.
Okay, you would.
But then this morning, we also woke up for the funeral service of my grandpa, Big D, who we love very much. But it was a very sweet service where we got to hear Uncle Alan speak, Shannon speak, my mom said a prayer, and then Ryan said a prayer, and saw Uncle Mike and all the family. So it was good to see everybody. But just thinking of everybody and love you all very much. Mahalo, aloha, e komo mai. Lolo. Let's go.
You know this bridge
go,
was only built in the 80s.
Really?
Doesn't it look like it could be older?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this. Alright.
All right, let's go. Wow.